Let's talk peptides, but first I want to start off by saying that, as you know, I've been treating my body like a guinea pig with peptides for the past several months. This video is purely for entertainment purposes. I am not a medical doctor, and this is not medical advice. This is merely my experience, so please do your own research. The KLOW Blend isn't just a peptide. It's for the most powerful peptides in existence, stacked together, working in sync, hitting your body from every angle. Let me break it down exactly what's in it and why it's different. First, BPC 157, body protection compound. This peptide is derived from a protein naturally found in your stomach. Well, and its job? It's heal everything. BPC 157 accelerates the repair of tendons, ligaments, muscles, and joints by triggering the formation of new blood vessels that rush oxygen and nutrients directly to damaged tissues. It also protects and heals the gut lining because a healthy gut is the foundation of everything else your body does. BPC 157 is the repair crew that never clocks out. Second, TB 500. It's a synthetic form of thymosin beta 4. Here's what makes TB 500 special. Most peptides stay local. They work where you inject them. TB 500 travels systematically. It goes wherever healing is needed. It promotes cell migration and regeneration, moving healthy cells into damaged areas to rebuild tissue. It also reduces inflammation and breaks down scar tissue, restoring flexibility and range of motion that injuries have stolen from you. BPC 157 heals the site. TB 500 rebuilds the whole system. Third, KPV, a tripeptide fragment of alpha MSH, a hormone your body already makes. Think of KPV as your body's internal firefighter. Chronic inflammation is the root of almost every health problem people face. Joint pain, slow recovery, gut issues, brain fog, accelerated aging. KPV works directly at the cellular level, blocking the NF-kB inflammatory pathway that keeps your body in a constant state of low-grade fire. It also crosses the blood-brain barrier, fighting neuroinflammation and protecting mental clarity. While BPC and TB500 are rebuilding, KPV makes sure the fire doesn't come back. Fourth, this is the longevity piece, okay? GHK-Cu. A copper peptide your body naturally produces. GHK-Cu doesn't just heal, it regenerates. It activates stem cell activity and stimulates production of collagen and elastin, the structural proteins that keep your skin, joints, and connective tissues resilient. It repairs DNA. It fights oxidative stress. It promotes nerve regeneration. And like MOTS-c, GHK-Cu levels decline significantly as you age. By 60, your body has only a fraction of what it had at 20. Restoring GHK-Cu turns back the biological clock on your tissue, your skin, and your cells. BPC 157 heals the damage. TB 500 rebuilds the structure. KPV kills the inflammation. GHK-Cu regenerates at a cellular level. 4 peptides, 4 jobs. One blend designed to do what your body used to do on its own before age, stress, and time got in the way. This isn't a trend. This is targeted science, backed recovery and regeneration in a single precision formulated blend. If your body has been through something, injuries, stress, time, and you're ready to actually feel the difference, drop KLOW in the comments. I'll personally walk you through what I've seen and what I'm doing. Heal it, rebuild it, protect it, regenerate it. That's KLOW.